In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover Gmail account. So if you want to recover your Gmail account, it is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link g.co/recover. Search for it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the account recovery interface of Google. From here, you'll be able to recover your account. All you have to do is enter the email address or phone number associated with your account over here. If you have forgotten your email, you can tap on this option, forget email, and simply follow through the prompts. But if you remember the email or phone, simply tap on this field. Now provide the email or phone over here. After you do that, tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is verify your identity. Verifying the identity was very easy for me because currently I'm signed in to my recovery email account. If you're also signed in to your recovery email account, verifying the identity will be much easier. Your identity will automatically be verified. But if you're not signed in to your recovery email account, or if you have not added the recovery email account, you'll have to follow through the prompts in order to verify your identity. You'll be asked a bunch of questions. Make sure to provide the best answers that you can. They are tailored to your account security settings, so make sure to provide the best answers. Also, if possible, use a device and a location that you previously used to sign in to your account. You can also try alternative verification. There are basically various verification process. Sometimes you might be prompted for a verification code, or you'll also be able to find other methods. Simply tap on the method that you can address and follow through the prompts and verify your identity. After your identity has been verified, you can simply reset your password. Simply tap on this option, update password, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create a strong password for yourself. Create a password. Now after you do that, confirm the password. Now after you create a password for yourself, tap on this option, save password, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the devices that you'll stay signed into. Tap on this option, change password. Now after you do that, your account will be recovered and you'll be logged into your Gmail account. So that is how you recover a Gmail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.